Hey guys, is the market gonna dump this coming week? Let's take a look. This is my chart from prior. Played out exactly how we wanted it to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a 3, 3, 5 correction right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I miscounted here. It will probably be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a higher high was made. And that is when we shorted, and we posted that in the group. Regardless, it looks like a 335 correction, and now we got this wave down. And if this is true, this should be wave 3. But just to make things a little more clear, we're just gonna reset the chart to remove all drawings, and you could clearly see that there's a bear flag in play here. And if any of you guys know what a bear flag is, you already know it's not a good thing. It's a continuation pattern. Although I don't really like to trade patterns, it is definitely good to be able to recognize these type of patterns when you are looking for a direction in a certain way. So we've always been bearish. Finally got the action that we wanted. And if this is true in terms of the larger degree, if this was A down, B up, then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this was a shallow correction, but potentially the start of wave 3, which means it's the most explosive onto the downside. Ultimately, it would have been nice if it came up here to this 402 level, but even though it didn't, it did hit this bearish order block here, which resulted in the dump that we saw on Friday. A lot of people are referencing the 200-day moving average. I actually don't have that here. I do. So the fact that we are literally right here is very concerning. It's been a battle between bulls and bears, and at the same time, I think this is one of the months that we saw the most volume, or weeks that we saw the most volume. Compared to the past. So if anything, I think we do have a chance of coming down here to this weekly order block, which will be this 373 level. This is probably going to be my target for my shorts. I am currently in a short position, and I think this is where we will hit. At the same time, I do want to see if there's any liquidity to be taken on this end. So my first target will probably be to take this liquidity here. Next one will be here, and then after that will be here. After that, let's see if we have any more. We have an equal low over here, here. These are all just levels that we should be targeting. I am looking for a lot more. A lot of the time people like to say that bear flags usually have symmetry to the flagpole. In this case, it will be this over here. So if we were to draw a 1-to-1 symmetry to this top right here, we should end up at this 376 level. Again, I don't really like trading patterns. I think it's complete BS. So I am looking for a target of 373. There's a lot of things happening. I think we have FOMC on Wednesday, and then we also have all of the geopolitical concerns with China and Taiwan, and also Russia and Ukraine. So a lot of things are being factored in. I think the most important is probably the interest rate and the banks. Since people kind of eased off on the bank situation, although it shouldn't have. I think the most important thing for this upcoming week is FOMC. And with that, it's pretty obvious that that was going to be the main catalyst to drive the market up or down. In regards to sweeps, we got IWM Golden Put came in after hours. And then I know I'm going to probably get some foolish comments saying that it's past 4. If you guys actually trade, ETFs go up to the 15-minute post market close. So until 4:15, ETFs could be traded. So this is a valid sweep, and it's hard to tell whether it's open or closed, but chance AI is relatively high, so I am going to take that as an opening. Another thing that we could see here at 242 TQQQ, we got a red flag. So red flag already means that it's something to be careful of, and to watch out for the opposite, because again, red flag means concern. So if this is a golden TQQQ call, it's actually a bearish sweep. What other ones we got towards the end of the day? We got this QQQ to 1257. Let me see. 1257. 1257. 4333. Oh, this for 2024, so I'm not even gonna watch that. Again, this is why I always say trade with the right tools, because you want to make sure that you are not blind to the market and you're not going to get wrecked. And as you can see, again, our members are relatively positive about callsorputs.com, and this is why I say trade with the right tools, because you can make a lot of money trading with the right tools. I believe Tom was the one that brought it up. Let me see if I could find from user Tom69. Oh, 69. How do I do this? Nope. Search from user. I don't know why I can't. Golden. Maybe it's the airport Wi-Fi, to be honest, but let's see. Those golden ENPH puts printed, and the puts went up 90%. See? This is why I always say trade with the right tools, because it is going to help you. And you're spending like $50 a month, to make sure that you save more or win more. So if you're actually a trader, you should definitely invest in something that helps you, or come join us, trade with the right team. Link is within the bio. And again, thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think the market's gonna do. And I will be back in America by the time you guys watch this video. So have a good one, y'all. Bye-bye.